Have you ever imagined a world where dragon robots soar down from the sky to save the day? Well, your dream is now a reality with a mind-blowing creation, the Dragon Robot Firefighter. Stick around because what you're about to witness is awe-inspiring. So, what sets this dragon robot apart? It's armed with 8 water jets that can change shape and direction, turning it into a superhero for extinguishing hard-to-reach blazes. In 2016, Professor Satoshi Tadokoro and his squad at Tohoku University dreamt up this idea, working closely with Japanese firefighters to understand their needs. This dragon robot, controlled remotely, hovers over a fire source, shooting water from above. Imagine a high-tech, fire-breathing dragon fighting fires with water instead of flames. The current version is loaded with cool features. 8 water jets adapt to different situations, and thermal imaging cameras help spot hidden fires. Connecting to fire trucks, it can access a whopping 14,000 liters of water. As it evolves, we anticipate even better waterproofing, cooler nozzle designs, and more powerful water flow. But like any superhero, our dragon robot has its weaknesses. Starting up takes time, and durability is a concern since it hovers just 2 meters above the ground. Every setback is a chance for improvement, and researchers are on it, aiming to enhance the prototype. The exciting part, if all goes as planned, this dragon robot firefighter could be real and on the job within the next 10 years. The blueprint is out there for anyone to use, thanks to open science. So we might see this incredible technology in action sooner if another genius team decides to give it a go. If you're as excited as I am about the future of firefighting dragons, hit that subscribe button for more jaw-dropping updates. Let's keep the excitement rolling, and until next time, stay fired up, my friends.